That's a lie. Children are not selfish. They have a singular focus. There's a difference between a singular focus and being selfish. Singular focus. If you're trying to appropriate healing and you decide to get away and read the Bible, that's a singular focus. Singular focus if you're trying to finish a good book and you have to go to another room away from your family. That's a singular focus. You have a specific singular thing you're focusing your attention on. Children have a singular focus. When they're playing games, they have a singular focus. When they're thinking about what they like to eat, they have a singular focus. Singular focus is not being selfish. You know, you're trying to study and your friend calls you on the phone and wants you to go hang out with them at the mall. And you say, I'm trying to study. That's not being selfish. Oh, you're being selfish. That's a lie. When you're trying to accomplish something, when you have a singular focus, that is not being selfish. Children are not selfish. Their world is singular because that's it. They just have themselves and they have their parents and they have their siblings. They're not being selfish. And you have to know the difference because they're not being selfish. Selfish is you're trying to marry somebody no one in your family agrees with you. That's being selfish. You're thinking about yourself and you don't care about what other people think. Now, children aren't running around. Selfish is when you are thinking about yourself, and again, children aren't running around thinking about themselves, and they just don't care what other people think. Rudely. Okay? In fact, that might be something to consider, and maybe I'll do a video on that too. I don't care what people think, but anyways, that's being selfish when you know a lot of people don't want you to do something, or you know someone doesn't want to do it and you do it. Like, for instance, a friend who calls on the phone and wants the person to go hang out with them when they're trying to study, and you try to coerce the person to do it, lie and say they're being selfish when all actuality you're being selfish because you want them to hang out with you and you don't care about them. You're more concerned about yourself. Or for instance, you're not letting someone finish the good book. I said, no, that someone with a singular focus, they're trying to finish the book. They know that y'all supposed to have dinner in the evening, you know, siblings or whatnot, and so they're trying to finish the book, and so they're in the upper stairs of the cabin, and so they're trying to go ahead and finish the book, so when family time hits in the evening, they want to do it there, they want to be able to hang out with you. But if you're being selfish, if they're trying to finish the book up in the attic, and you keep going up there and messing with them, because you want to hang out with them and you want to do their stuff for you, that's being selfish. So children aren't selfish. Know the difference. Don't lie and say a child is selfish. Now, if a child doesn't know how to share, that's another issue. But don't say a child is selfish. They just have a singular focus. They're not considering other people because they're not thinking of other people. Selfish is when you have your own best interest in heart and you know better. That's the main difference. Children aren't, oh, stop being selfish, stop being selfish. Well, the kid doesn't know that. As he gets older, he'll know what selfish is. Selfish is when you are thinking about yourself and you don't care about other people and you just really know better. So being selfish is being wrong. Being singular-minded, know the difference and know when you're being selfish or not. If you're trying to accomplish something, you're trying to do something, don't let someone lie to you and tell you you're being selfish. Consequently, if you're doing something that you know you're not supposed to be doing, or you know you're thinking just about yourself when everyone else is like, I don't think you should do this or whatnot, and everyone's trying to help you, and that's being selfish. Or I'm just going to go do it my way. I don't care what you think. I don't care what you think. That's being selfish. That's not being singular-minded, something good, whatnot. So basically, it's know the difference. Singular-minded, singular focus. Most children just have a singular focus. They're not walking in selfishness. Selfishness is when you are thinking about yourself and you know it's wrong. You're trumping other people's lives and stuff. Children can't trump other people's wills and opinions because they're not thinking about that. They have not progressed intellectually enough to know that. So you can't attribute a sin, a trespass, something wrong to a child that they're oblivious of. Okay? Like stealing. Once a child knows he's stealing, I mean, he might take something out of someone's room that he's not supposed to, and you can teach him that he's not stealing, that he's stealing. But afterwards, if he knows not to do it, that's when he's doing wrong. So don't try to mesh selfishness into, because people when they start meshing selfishness with being singular-minded, then sometimes people who are singular-minded start thinking, well, maybe I am just thinking about yourself. Maybe I am being too selfish trying to get this doctorate degree that God told me to get, and I can't hang out with all my friends. Usually it's the selfish person that's making all those accusations anyway. So that's it. Thanks for joining me. Jesus, your healer, your financier, and your righteousness. Just believe you see by faith in God, make it true in your life. And I love you. Be blessed in the name of the living Lord King Jesus Christ. Yay!